Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My group will be presenting a video on the topic of infrared spectroscopy. Now, what is infrared spectroscopy? It's when the infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum is used in spectroscopy mostly to study and to identify chemical compounds. Now, the techniques that are involved in infrared spectroscopy are based on absorption, on emission, and photoconductivity. And the most common laboratory instrument for infrared spectroscopy is the FTIR. Now, that is the essence of infrared spectroscopy. Now, moving on to FTIR. FTIR is a technique in IR spectroscopy that also uses the infrared spectrum of absorption, emission, and photoconductivity on a sample of solid, liquid, or gas. Now, FTIR simultaneously collects spectral data in a wide spectral range, and the term FTIR, which means Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, originates from the fact that a Fourier transform is used to convert the data that the machine picks up from the sample into the actual spectrum. Now, further on in this video, the functions of the FTIR will be explained by Shami.
Now, let's look at the Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy FTIR function. It identifies chemical bonds in a molecule by producing an infrared absorption spectrum. The spectrum produces a profile of a sample, a distinctive molecular fingerprint that can be used to screen and scan sample for many different components. The schematic diagram of FTIR that consists of radiation source, beam splitter, stationary mirror, movable mirror, sample cell, and detector. The movable mirror was put away about 21 cm. From the radiation source, hit the beam splitter, and about 50% was reflected to both stationary and movable mirror. And from the radiation from the mirrors, it reflected back to the beam splitter, and then it transmitted to the sample cell and finally reached the detector. The use of Fourier transform infrared were to identify and verify known and also unknown samples. Secondly, it was useful in chemical and manufacturing industries, research and product development.
Hello, welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you about FTIR spectroscopy graph. First thing, I will show you about IR spectroscopy graph. Y-axis state the percentage of light transmittance and x-axis state the wavelength number. And each peak have their own chemical content. This chemical content shows in IR table with their specific wave number. To read the IR spectrum, first you have to line at the 1500 wave number. Fingerprint, and the left side of it is denoted as a functional group region. Then examine every peak and refer to the IR table. That's all from me. Thank you.